Hi everyone, this is a video about this Aiwa Walkman that the model number is 547. When you open the door you can see the model number there, HS-PX547, and it takes two AAA batteries or a Aiwa gumstick style battery that I'm going to show you that is somehow I think lead acid battery. I get the battery and come back. The batteries that Aiwa is using with these is this type of battery, and it's just not similar to these Sony gumstick batteries that it has positive and negative here. So the positive and negative is there. If you can see that, positive and negative. And also this one either takes one of these, and it's very confusing as well how to put this. There is an arrow there, but there is also one arrow here, it says in. So the only way that you put it in there is like so. And if you don't have the charger for that, the 2-volt charger that is center negative, you have to be very careful with that. So there is no way that you can charge this until you have that 2-volt adapter, and this battery is absolutely dead. But I saw some videos on YouTube how to revive them. Some people, they make a hole down the center and put some acid liquid in there and then seal it and then put it in charge, and then it just revives itself. And some people, they just open the top up and then take this out, and then underneath there is a little bit of grommet, and then they pull that grommet out and put some lead acid battery liquid in there, and I think it's distilled water. They just put it in there and then they put it back together and put it in charger, and they are saying this is a long life battery. And this item is identical with another model that is 447. This one is 547 and this one is 447, and they are absolutely identical to each other with one difference. With one difference, that in this one we have 2 volt. In 547 we have 2 volts power adapter and charger. In this one we have 3 volts, only 3 volts. The power adapter is not a charger because it doesn't take this battery. It might be able to take it, but they blocked it. As you see, they somehow blocked it, that it can, because it's this is very hard to come by, you know. So because of that they blocked it. And if I shine light in there, you can see that piece of plastic in there, they blocked it to avoid using this sort of gumstick batteries. So it just only takes 2 AAA batteries, and this one, it also takes 2 AAA batteries. And it's amazing that how they can do that, how they can run this via 2 volt or 3 volts. I'm not sure about that. Anyhow, there are some gadgetry in there. Maybe it's just giving you an option to use those 2 positive and negative connectors, or use the negative and positive connector on either side, and that's it. This is just a stereo personal cassette player or Walkman as we know it, and it comes with full remote control, but I don't have the remote control here, and it has Dolby and volume and headphone and wall adapter jack here that is center negative, and then the battery compartment, and that's it. This one had a dent in here, and I had to just get the dent out, and I think I haven't done a very bad job since it's part metal, part plastic, but is really good condition. There are scratches obviously, and the other one, the 447, is much better, but when you are looking it under this light, you can't distinguish which one is worse off, and this one is older than this. Anyhow, so the star of the show is this, and here are the heads and the pinch roller and everything else. There is thoroughly cleaned, and the belt had been changed, and I show you some images of that as well. Let me just find it. And this one is really difficult to change the belt because of that. The belt is under here, and if you want to take it out, you have to desolder several parts, these four and these, and there are some screws that you have to take the screws out, but they are not coming out. For instance, here we have a screw for the jack there, and we have another screw here for this positive and negative connector. Let me just see if I can maximize it just to show you. You see there is a screw here, let me see, there, and a screw there, and a screw there, that you can take them out, but they are not coming out, they are staying there, and you just have to unscrew these three, desolder these three, and the motor, where is the motor? Yeah, is here. And these four, and then you can get this out. There are some screws on the body, on the PCB as well, I think is there, if I'm right. Yes. And that's it. So you don't need to desolder any of this. Just those three at the top, and the motor at the bottom. And then I show you the screw here. There is another screw here, another screw there, and one there. So that's it. And then let me see, when you open it up, it goes like that, and it shows you how the belt is going around here as well. That's really it. If you are interested, you can pause and have a look at it. But there are some electrolytic capacitors that, if you want to really give this a good service, it's good to change those three as well. And anything else, this is a closer look at the mechanism. And these two and these three and those four that you had to desolder. And that's really it. now it's time to just listen to a tape to see the quality of this. So this is another look inside to see how clean it is. And is the top feeder, it means the head is at the bottom, and then it has a double lock system here. Double lock system, it means it has two latches here to latch onto the door, and you have a clear view of the cassette that is turning. And we have here a sound processor. It call it multi-sound processor, that is flat, pop, rock and jazz. This is flat, and then fast forward, rewind, stop, play and auto reverse, battery display, remote control on hold and off, and the battery and the repeat direction. This is just to set the auto reverse to go round and round rather than playing one side and the second side and then stop. Now let's connect it. Somehow I look for the remotes of all of these, but I'm afraid I cannot find the remotes just to show you. But the remote I saw on YouTube that is really substantial. Anyhow, let's play a song and see how it goes. Oh, volume.
Oh, so proud.
If you're wondering what was the other side, this is some BBC program that, I'm taping over that, and some of it is left. And the quality, we are at the flat now. So we are going to pop. And now to rock. And jazz. I repeat them and stay quiet. And let's see if it has the rewind cue. And it's really, the motor is really strong and functioning properly. Oh yeah. I guess that was the, auto stop. Fast forward. Play. And the mechanism is really quiet as well. And here we have the Dolby. Okay, everyone, I hope you like this video. And the price of this item, the price of this item, these are very dear, starting from £45, and some people, they are selling this just as is like this, or for repair or a spare, up to £70, and if it's working and is in good condition, they are selling it over £120. So this is a very good item, and very sought after item, because of taking 2 AA batteries or one of these gum sticks. So you have an option, and you have the power adapter as well that you can run this on, and the quality is really good, and sound system is perfect, and it looks good, and it's tiny, so it's fully recommended. But if you find this more than 45 to 50 pounds, not recommended unless it's in mint condition. Anyhow, I hope you like this video. Until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.